Parallelogram law of vectors. What is meant by parallelogram law of vectors? If two vectors represent the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the resultant of the two vectors is along the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is called a parallelogram law of vectors. Consider a parallelogram PQRS. So PQ is one side, PS is another adjacent side. PQ is A vector, PS is B vector. These two vectors are along the adjacent sides, or along the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So PS, B vector is along PS, A vector is along PQ. Angle between the two vectors is theta. Theta is the angle between the two vectors. Then the resultant of the two vectors A and B is along the diagonal of the parallelogram. So resultant vector R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. This is along the diagonal of the parallelogram. PR is the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is called the parallelogram law of vectors. Now let us consider only the magnitude. So here I represent here, this is A, this is B. Let us consider only the magnitude. PQ A, PS B. This PS is equal to QR. This is also B. PS is equal to QR. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So this angle, this is PS is equal to QR. Therefore, this theta here this is also theta. R is the angle between, alpha is the angle between the resultant and A, vector A. Right. So I can write like this. Now let us find out R. R is equal to PR. R is equal to, this is R, resultant R is equal to PR. PR is equal to square root of, using Pythagoras theorem, PQ plus QT, that is PT whole square plus TR whole square, that is PQ plus QT whole square plus TR whole square. PQ plus QT whole square plus TR whole square. PQ is equal to A, QT equal to, this is QT, this is B cos theta, because this is a right angle triangle. Therefore, this is B cos theta, this is B sin theta. Therefore, this is QT equal to B cos theta, TR equal to B sin theta. Therefore, R equal to square root of A plus B, that is PQ plus QT, A plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. Therefore, it becomes A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. A square plus B square is common. B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore, R is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the resultant value, magnitude of the resultant in parallelogram law of vectors. Now let us see the angle alpha between the resultant and vector A. This is A. Between A and R, the angle is alpha. So tan alpha is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is opposite. Consider this triangle PRT. PRT, opposite is this B sin theta, adjacent is A plus B cos theta. Tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent, that is TR divided by PQ plus PQ plus QT. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to B sin theta. TR is B sin theta divided by PQ is A plus QT is B cos theta. Therefore, tan alpha equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. This is the angle between the resultant and A. From this we can find out alpha. Tan alpha is this. Tan alpha equal to tan inverse of this.